Hello, and welcome to another update video about DOT. DOT has broken out of the wedge pattern to the upside that we discussed here. So you see here this descending wedge pattern. As I said, the price broke out, but hasn't really shown that upside momentum that I want to see for, get some clarity that we're really moving now in the third of a third wave. But if this is, the proper breakout, and if we have started a third of a third wave, well, then we should start to see that significant upside momentum shortly. Quick reminder, we have seen a wave 1 to the upside, possible wave 1, at least the first 5-wave move on a smaller time frame into the July high, 8th of July. And then a wave 2, which is actually the July high, isn't it? Oh, no, not that. Okay. Anyway, it's sort of around that 655 level where we had a few swing highs. But yeah, from that high on Monday the 8th, we've seen a 3-wave pullback into this support region, which is still relevant in case the upper support region breaks. So the lower support region is between 586 and 524. 524 is obviously the key level there. And the upper support is between 595 and 627. The idea was that, okay, we could identify a first micro wave 1 as well. So 5 waves up, 3 waves down, another micro 5 up, 3 down, and it also reacted to this support region. So that's what we want. Now, the move to the upside from that low is choppy, so I cannot rule out another test of this support zone. 595 is here the key level. If we break below it, the lower support becomes relevant in probably a reset of the larger wave 2. But as long as we are holding 595, it might be worth watching for an upside breakout more directly, but I need to see some evidence for it. For example, a break above the $6.55 level, which is the swing high that formed on Monday the 15th and Monday the 8th. And there was another swing high on Tuesday the 2nd. And it seems like that once per week we're testing this level. But yeah, if we then go higher, then the next resistances will be, or the next, let's say, key target for a third wave of a third wave is often the 100% extension of the larger 1-2 setup. So we talk about roughly the area around $7.66. And essentially the larger third wave should get to $8.51. So the roadmap is on the chart. All we need is that the bulls turn up now. Support levels are defined. And it should ideally work out like this, 1-2, and then this is now another 1-2, and then 3-4-5 in wave 3, and then another 4-5, and the larger fifth wave should get to $9 or higher. These are all minimum targets. Of course, this third of a third wave could go higher. Of course, this larger third could go higher. For example, nothing stopping it, other than the bears, to go to $9, and then maybe that fifth wave goes to $9.50 or even $10, which is, as you might know, a psychological mark as well, a psychological resistance level. And yeah, all the levels are clear. Obviously, that means it is way too early to confirm that a larger wave 2 has bottomed on the 5th of July. I think it is looking somewhat promising, but just too early to confirm. That's my update about DOT. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.